If you live in the US and have an ITIN number, yes, you can buy a house. So ITIN, also known as ITIN number, stands for Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. And it's assigned to people only for tax purposes, but it also means that they don't have credentials to legally work in the US, but people do, and it's a way for them to file taxes. So there's a lot of people here that have an ITIN number. So yes, it is possible for you to purchase a home. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Stay tuned. I am Jen Hernandez, lender since 1995, lots of years, financed thousands of people, and it's very rewarding to get people in homes. And one of the creative programs is the ITIN number program that we're going to talk about today. So most mainstream loans, the conventional FHA, VA, and USDA loans, which I'll put those links down in the description so you can listen and watch more about what those are. But those are, let's say, called mainstream loans. That's like 70% of the people get loans in those categories. Then there's always hybrid loans, bank statement loans and ITIN loans, which is what we're talking about today. So an ITIN loan is someone who has an ITIN number. They are working and they're claiming taxes. They're reporting whether they're W-2 or have their own business. They are claiming and they can prove their income. They usually also have credit using the ITIN number. So people can have a credit score and credit that's generated using that number. So the first thing that you need to do is realize that it's really a very localized product. So make sure to ask your local realtor, your friends that might also have ITIN number, ask them for referrals to companies. So let's say there's 100 companies in your area, this is just an example, that do loans. There's probably only 2 of them out of 100 that will do an ITIN number loan. So it's a rare thing and it's not every lender that does it. So it's best to get a referral ahead of time from someone that you know has the program. The next thing you need to be prepared to do is put anywhere from a 10 to 20% down payment. Now 10% is really rare. There's not a lot of lenders that do it, but there are some. But 15 to 20% is usually the norm. So that's what you need to expect. Also, you won't be able to use any state-sponsored down payment assistance on these programs. So the money has to come from the applicant for the full down payment and closing costs. So you need to be prepared for that. The other thing you need to be prepared for is that the interest rate is usually anywhere from 2 to 3% higher than what the mainstream loans are getting. So it is a higher interest rate. It's better than no house though. Buying a home has lots of other benefits like tax deductions on your income tax and also appreciation. So again, just get the numbers ahead of time before you start looking at homes. Get a recommendation to a local lender that does ITIN programs, and good luck with your home search.